Hello, and so let's continue to study our Russian lesson. Today we'll continue to speak about genitive case, and as you remember, we use usually the genitive case to express I have something or I don't have, if you remember. I don't have, for example, she, у нее нет семьи, and we have to change the ending of nouns. Now we can use the same regular for the absence or lack. For example, без, without, For example, with the food or drinks, we can use вода, без, газ, it's masculine, became газа. Water without gas or still water. And also we can use the examples without pronoun. For example, без воды нельзя жить. One cannot live without water. Без воды. Без воды. Вода, feminine, became воды. Нельзя, not possible. Жить. One cannot without water. Impossible, can't live. Жить, live. Also, I would like to specify точно. Точно, thoroughly, точно, thoroughly. У тебя ключ. You, this is separate. Okay, this is separate, not together. Two words. У тебя ключ. You have or do you have key? Ключ, key. Нет. У меня нет ключа. Ключ, masculine, ключа. Also as the gaze. Нет. У меня нет ключа. No, I don't have a key. Ключ, key. Точно нет ключа? Точно нет ключа. Really? Are you sure? Thoroughly? You don't have it? No. Точно нет. Точно нет. No. Definitely no. We can express also, for example, the difference between без сахара, without sugar, без паспорта. Passport, паспорта. Without passport, a passport. And also we can use нет. Нет. There is nothing, something. And some exception, for example, in plural. This is better if you will learn for always. Нет времени. There is no time. Нет времени. У тебя нет, у нее нет, у нас нет времени. Нет денег. There is no money. Okay. Без, without, нет. There is something, there is not. And always we use the genitive noun with the ending. Okay, this is exception. This ending correct. For example, кофе без молока. Молоко, молока. Кофе без молока. So, coffee without milk. Milk. Салат без майонеза. Майонез, майонеза. Salad without mayonnaise. Now I'd like to speak about some phrases, ready phrases. For example, explain about пожалуйста. It can mean please, so I ask something, or it can be you are welcome, or here you go. So double meaning, please, пожалуйста, can you give me something, пожалуйста. Otherwise, for the rest, for the according, you're welcome. So welcoming. Пожалуйста. Чай. Please, any tea, some tea, please. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста, вот чай. Please, tea, some tea, please. Okay, welcome. Are you welcome? This is tea, or here we are. And so, for today, we spoke a little bit about genitive case and some words without, some phrases without express something not not with. So hit the bell, put the like, and write something on the comment. Thank you. Bye bye. Пока-пока.